Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to make conversation with kids. You can now use these conversation topics at home with your child to accelerate their English language acquisition. 1. Questions about themselves. Everyone likes to talk about themselves and children are no exception. These questions are easy enough to start a conversation with any child. If the child is very young, use body language to add meaning to the questions. What is your name? How old are you? When is your birthday? 2. Questions about their family. Do you have a big or a small family? Do you have brothers? How many brothers do you have? More topics and more questions like theme, school. What do you eat for lunch at school? What is your favorite subject? What is your English teacher's name? 4. Numbers. Can you count to 10? How many legs do you have? How many fingers do you have? Congratulations! You now have the perfect list to start conversations with your child. This will help your child to learn English faster and be more confident. We suggest you spend 10 to 15 minutes a day going through different questions on the list. And must watch my channel for learning English in an easy way. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Spoken English with Monisha.